Good morning, children. Welcome to all this S.St class. Children, today we'll read about a new chapter, that is chapter 12, Modes of Transport. Modes of transport means how we move from one place to another. Okay. Before the invention of the wheels, early humans traveled long distance on foot. The invention of the wheel has changed the life of man. Earlier, men travelled by bullock carts from one place to another. Today, we have many others means of transport, such as trains, aeroplanes, ships, boats, buses, cars, scooters, bicycles. Like this, different types of transport facilities we occur. The different means of transport can be used to carry both people and goods from one place to another. Today, we can reach any part of the world in a short time. We can select the means of transport we want to use depending on the distance, the time we have, and the money we can spend. So first we discuss about types of transport. Different types of transports are there. Mainly three types are there: land transport, air transport, and water transport. Land transport means the transport that move on land are known as land transport. They include trains, buses, trucks, cars, scooter, bikes, etc. Train, buses, cars and trucks are used for long distance, while scooter, autos and bikes are used for short distance. Trucks are used to carry heavy loads from one place to another. Trains moves on railway tracks. They connect not only big cities but also small towns and villages. Goods trains carry goods and passenger trains carry passenger from one place to another. In cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, people travel by metro. Train means underground trains are there. Okay. Then comes to air transport. Air transport includes aeroplanes, helicopters. They help in connecting cities and countries all over the world. Because between two countries we cannot move through bus, car, because they have so much distance are there. So in that case we prefer air transport only. They move in the air. They are a very fast means of transport but very expensive. Aeroplanes carry both people and goods from one place to another. They fly over deserts, mountains, forests, seas and oceans. The place where aeroplanes land or take off is called an airport. Most big cities in our country have airports. Means in our Bhubaneswar have airports, Delhi have airports, Mumbai have airports. Big cities have airports. Helicopters can take us to places where even aeroplanes cannot go. They are most useful for rescue operations during floods, earthquakes and other natural calamities. You can see this picture. Aeroplane, the size is bigger than helicopter. Then water transport. Boats, ferries, ships and steamers are the means of water transport. They move on water. Boats and ferries are used for short distance, while ships are used for long distance. Heavy cargoes are carried from one port to the other by large ships called freighters. Okay. Oil tankers are used to transport oil over long distance. Water transport is much slower compared to land and air transport. Okay, so fast transport is air transport and slow transport is water transport. Then animal transport. Many animals like horses, ponies, mules and yaks are used as means of transport in hilly areas, because children, in hilly areas we cannot move through bus, car. Okay. In rural areas, bullock carts are used. Camels are the means of transport in deserts. Elephants are an important means of transport in thick forests. So children, now you got some idea about transport, why we use transport, different types of transport means land transport, air transport, water transport. Okay. So children, you again read this chapter properly and also learn what is land transport, air transport and water transport, and also animal transport. Okay children, thank you.